Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: internet, admin access, and your Microsoft credentials so the change propagates. Once ready, open Settings and go to Accounts, then your info. If you signed in with a local account first, switch to a Microsoft account now. This ensures the name syncs across devices. Make sure Windows updates are applied so the settings page behaves correctly. Click Manage My Microsoft Account to open the web profile for the official name edit. Now you're on the Microsoft account web page. Click your info, then the Edit Name link. This is the authoritative source for your display name. Type the new first and last name exactly as you want them to appear, handling spacing and capitalization deliberately. Complete any CAPTCHA or verification prompts to confirm you're human. After saving, Microsoft updates the profile database. This may take a few minutes to an hour to reach your laptop, so be patient and avoid making further changes immediately. Finish by forcing a sync so the laptop shows the new name. Sign out and sign back in or restart Windows. This prompts the account service to refresh. If it still shows the old name, open Settings account, sync your settings, and toggle Sync Off then On to trigger propagation. If problems persist, verify you edited the Microsoft online profile and not a local account. Make sure your email was verified. As a tip, clear cached credentials in Credential Manager if a stale name persists.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.